I think that the best WordPress themes should come with a well-designed collection of pre-built websites that you can easily import and customize to create a blog, as well as full websites for e-commerce, affiliate marketing, small businesses, photography portfolio, and so on. Hey WordPress enthusiasts, and welcome to another episode here on Themeisle, WordPress tutorials and reviews. My name is Robert, and in this video I will show you some full website demos and outstanding features you can find in the most popular WordPress themes out there. I'll be listing all of these themes in the description box so you can check them out whenever you want. Let's check out Neve first. Well, this is a speedy WordPress theme that looks simple out of the box after installing it. As you can see, there is nothing but the hello post on the home page when using it on a fresh installation of WordPress. One of the best things about Neve is that I don't need an additional plugin to import a demo. Simply navigate to Appearance, Neve Options, and go to the Sites library. On the next screen, you will find these ready-to-use pre-built websites that you can preview, install, and edit with Elementor, for example. Let me show you the Restaurant demo, which shows up this beautiful image in the background of the first section with a title, subtitle, and a button. Scrolling down, we can see the location on the map as well as the address of the restaurant. Today's menu, some pictures with the food, and the website visitors can read what other customers think about your service. You can easily edit everything with Elementor and make the website look as unique as you are. Here is a photo gallery where you can insert pictures from your restaurant. Then you can use the social icons and the links in the footer area to inform people about your business and communicate with them. You also get pre-built websites for charity, vet center, doctors, architecture, fitness, wedding, photography, tattoo, portfolio, and so on. Besides the content on these pages, you can access a bunch of useful settings in the customizer of the theme. And you can see how it works step by step in the video recommended above. For unique options and features, try the Neve Pro plugin, which is really easy to install and activate, and it will boost your header with sticky, show on scroll, and transparent menus, as well as your entire blogging experience. Your Elementor content creation process will improve too. If you want something simple and ready to use out of the box, get Hestia and edit its content on the front page through the customizer. It's effortless and intuitive. But you can also import a unique demo, as well as its original design. If you like simple but powerful things, make sure you check out the Pro version and take your content creation to the next level with pricing plans section, slider and video in the background of your big title section, full Elementor and Divi Builder compatibility, and much more. Let me install Astra and check out its homepage. Clean and straightforward, which means that this is a fast WordPress theme too. If you don't want to start from scratch, you need to install a plugin called Astra Starter Sites. Then you should navigate to Appearance, Astra Starter Sites, and select your preferred page builder. Let's see the demos of Elementor. As a free user, you can only get pre-built content for these demos and start building websites for a nutritionist, dentist, organic store, pet services, and so on. They are quite well designed, and if you want to change things like header and footer settings or other global settings of your theme you need to go to the customizer. OceanWP is also a simple and fast WordPress theme. For ready-to-import demo content featured on their website, you need to install the Ocean Extra plugin and click on Install Demos under the Theme panel menu. My favorite demo is the Coach design, which I can easily import like so. All themes in this video are beginner-friendly, and you don't need design or coding skills to transform them into a unique website or personal blog. You are free to use the official WordPress theme, which is 2020 starting with WordPress 5.3, and just write your thoughts on your blog. But for more features and control over your content, you should definitely try one of the themes mentioned in this video. Feel free to share your favorite theme in the comment section below. Let's start a discussion and tell me what themes I should mention in future videos. Keep up the excellent work and see you in the next one. Cheers!